The most simple way to figure out if your magnetic smartwatch charge is working or not is to try different chargers. And when I say different chargers, it's just not only using USB plug, but also using a battery USB charger. Like this, you will understand if the problem is on the charger or on the cable. In my case, it was charging for a long time using only battery charger and not the power plug charger. Maybe it's a battery issue, but soon you figure out as well by trying different battery charger, by cleaning the pins here, and by trying different power plug USB adapters. And you see that where is the problem. I hope you found this video, and I hope that you have fixed your smartwatch battery charge. Thank you for watching.